Okay, guys, so this is what I need help with, okay? The balance 800 students, I need to make sure that the students are active, okay? Or not just active, that they're real students, that we're not giving out to the wrong people, okay? So what we need to do is check each and every wallet here. There's 800 in total. I already done 10 right now. There's 800 in total. But the aim is I want to get to make sure that these people are receiving the right people are receiving it. Okay. So how we do the checks is this. We go to the wallet first. We copy the wallet. Okay. We look it up into the Discord. So we search in the Discord. We find the person. Now after finding the person, we locate their Discord username. We search that again, and let's look at the chat record. Okay. Now this person here looks like they're okay. They're quite active. They talk in the server. There's nothing wrong with them. The last they spoke though was today at 12:07, so they're still here, which means that they're still okay. Okay, so I would tick this person off as a yes. Okay, yes, and I would leave them green. Okay. Now I'm going to try to find one which is X as well while we're here so we can see what's going on. So let me search for one right now. Tipsul, search the Discord username. Let's look up Tipsul. So Tipsul's only got one. You see, this is clearly just a dropped address, right? So being a drop address, it's definitely we're going to have a no on this person. Okay, so an X. An X on this person, and I want it highlighted yellow. Okay, so let's assign off different roles for mods to do. Therefore, we can complete this as fast as possible. And then what I will do in the meantime, so I'll be getting replacements for all of these here. I already assigned Genesis holders to do some work. So Genesis holders are doing some work for us to nominate different blue people in. So we'll go through this as well. Leave the blue additions into me. All I need for help from you guys is to get X's and Y's on everything here. So X's are yellows, Y's is just remain green. Okay? So please help out if you can.